This TradingView indicator gave me a 100% win rate and a top step payout in just 5 days. Let me explain what the indicator is, what it does, and how to use it, and then we'll get to the proof. This is called the predictive model, where you'll get an entry signal and a take profit signal on every single candle on any time frame for any asset. Now, I prefer to trade NQ futures, which is what we're looking at right now. But here's how this indicator works because there are two ways that you can trade it. Number one, which is my favorite, is trend trading. What we want to do is catch the biggest moves, and the best way to do that is to wait for pullbacks. We enter when it's ugly. Okay, we want to enter a short trade while the candle's green, punch sell, then we let it drop in our favor. So here's a great example. Price is outside of our channel, these white lines here, yours might be blue. Price pulls back into our sell zone here, sell here, right? Enter sell, and then price runs to and then through our take profit. Now, how long you hold is up to you. You can hold to the take profit, you can wait, you can let it run past, but that is your prerogative. You can certainly do that. Okay. But that is trade idea in way number one. You trade the trend. You let price jump outside the channel, you then wait for a pullback, and then you enter the trade in the trend direction. The second way you can trade it is to trade these rejection labels here. Okay. Buyers and sellers are oftentimes trying to figure out where price is going to be, and a lot of it is very predictable. We know where there are strong support and resistance in the market, and what we want to do is use these labels along with some data over here to verify and then be able to trade off of those signals. So these labels will come in, and then you have a data box over here to the right, average rejection streak. Right now it's at 1.5. Now, what that means is that when you get one of these labels, right now it looks like you're going to get on average about 2 candles in a row. And so you can use that data to anticipate some of these moves. For example, average rejection streak is 1.55. Now that means that every time there's a rejection label right here, a red one, we're getting 1.5 candles. It can't be 1.5 candles. So if it's over 1.5, then that means that there's basically more times that there are 2 red candles than one. And so we would take this label, huge drop right here, wait for our pullback, and then boom, we could trade that. Here's another idea right here. Rejection streak is 1.75, so almost 2 every time we get one of these candles. Price makes a strong bottom here after trying to push down. This would have been our trade, pullback, long trade inside of the channel. Does that make sense? Those are the two ways that you could trade this indicator and use it to be highly effective, consistent, and profitable. Now let's look at some of the results so you can verify everything I'm saying. Okay, we're on our TOPSTEP trader dashboard. Let's take a look at these results so again, you can verify what I am saying. Okay, account high is 1464. That's where we currently are right now. Our best day was 410. Okay, profit. Usually trading about one, maybe 2 contracts, but that trade was a 1 contract trade. Our worst day was plus 242. Again, we didn't lose any trades. And we did hit our 5 days of making $200. Now, we only traded for 5 days, and our winning day percentage, is a way of saying that, is 100%. Look at our chart here, a slope up, okay, a straight line up, and then the last day was a little bit higher than the average. All right, we can see here winning trade percentage, 100% win rate. We didn't lose any trades, and our average win was about $162. When you're trading with 1 contract, that's reasonable because there's about 8 points or so trading on a 1 minute chart, so not bad. That could be a little higher, but with 1 contract, I'm not going to complain about it too much. Now let's look at the chart here so you can see how much I'm actually trading. We took 9 trades inside of this account. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5 days, and again, winning percentage 100%. Now my average trade is pretty short, 24 seconds, a minute here, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 50 seconds, pretty fast. I'm pretty much in and out. And we had a couple small trades on the first 2 days of this account, and then we really picked it up the last 3. And essentially, what my ideal goal was to catch between 5 and 6 points or so per position, and then just get out of the account. We had a couple trades that ran past that profit goal, which nobody's going to complain about. But for the most part, our job and what we were hoping for was just to get those 5 points and move on. Okay, so this is the TOPSTEP dashboard. We'll take the payout of $730 or so for this, and then we'll continue to trade it. As a matter of fact, we'll go ahead and add a second account on top of this one, and we'll copy trade 2 of these accounts. All right, now, if you want the indicator that I used to pass this evaluation, obviously, and then scale up my Express account, there will be a link in the description and a link also in the comments that you can click on. You can get a 7-day free trial of the predictive model. Okay. Now, I live trade it every single day at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Every day the market's open for about an hour, maybe hour and a half at times. So you can jump in, see what I'm doing, take a look at how everything works out, and then if you want to, get a free trial. Jump in with us. All right, there's a free course that goes with it, so you can better understand exactly what I explained, and then hopefully you can get results like this or even better by trading with prop firms, specifically TOPSTEP. That's my favorite and preferred. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Peace.